Welcome once again. Let's talk about Robinhood and Coinbase. Now, based on analysis, based on market volume, based on interest, and based on community. Now, Robinhood and Coinbase can burn up to 115 billion coins of Terra Classic LUNC if they accept Luna and if they start burning just like Binance. Okay, yes, they can do this in the period of 1 year based on their market volume. Now, Binance also. With Binance, with this trade, they can push Terra Classic. They can push Terra Classic to reach at least 0.001 within the next 6 months. But right now, the majority of Terra Classic holders has been hoping for burning, massive burning, mega burning, and the only way this can happen is if you can get burners. If you can get exchanges that can burn at least billions of Terra Classic in 1 month. There are so many exchanges out there that are burning just 10 million, some are burning 15 million in 1 month, some are burning 100 million. With such burn, Terra Classic cannot reach the level where we want it to be. But I believe if you can get exchanges that can burn billions, just like the way Binance is burning. I mean, after Binance, the exchange I know that can really burn billions of Terra Classic is Coinbase. This is why I want to see Terra Classic being listed on Coinbase. This is why Luna community need to work out, need to come together. Let's hope that Coinbase will come and list Terra Classic, and then even Robinhood and Binance US. I believe we are going somewhere. But for now, I don't think Luna can get to the platform of Coinbase or Robinhood for now. Yes, they need a lot of homework. So many things need to be done before they can be accepted. Another good news is that Terra Classic staking is also massively increasing every day. These days, people are staking more of the Terra Classic coin. People are staking their coin more than they are burning their Terra Classic coin. That is the truth. Over 1 trillion stake, and you compare it, just 1% of Terra Classic supply has been burned. But more than 10%, more than 15% of Terra Classic supply has been staked. Okay? Yes. Almost 15% of Terra Classic supply has been staked, while just 1% has been burned. So you see that people choose to stake their Terra Classic instead of burning their Terra Classic. You know why? So many Terra Classic communities still believe that this coin is going to reach 1 cent, 10 cents, or $1. Everybody, no one wants to wow, assume I knew I wouldn't have sell. Assume I knew I would have still keep my Terra Classic. Whenever you think of selling, and when you check the news, you will definitely see something that will still motivate you to keep on holding. This is like me personally. Sometimes when I decide okay, in fact, I'm going to sell my Terra Classic LUNC. Then you see Binance founder coming out to say, talk something or try to post something about Terra Classic positively. You see Binance coming out to say they'll keep supporting. I was like, okay, all right. If Binance believes so much on the coin, and of course they know that they listed the coin. Binance founder, if you don't know, he owns over 1 trillion coins of Terra Classic, according to what we had that he owns, if that is true. But he owns, even not trillion, billions of Terra Classic coins. And of course, who doesn't want to make money? Everybody wants to make profit. Every company out there wants to make profit. Okay, the end means of so many companies is to end up making profit. That is the number one thing people want to know. They want to make profit. So I believe Binance wants to make profit. So the only way they can make huge profit with Terra Classic right now is to keep on supporting, and that is what they are doing. So this is why I believe. I also believe other crypto coins. There are some coins that one still need to buy as well, like Terra Classic. Number one coin right now, I wish you can also invest, but invest what you can afford to lose is Bitcoin. Then number 2 is Shiba Doge. Okay. Then you talk about the Tectonic token. Then CRO. Yes. Crypto.com CRO. Yes. Crypto.com local coin. I see this coin hitting over $10, $20 in the nearest future. I've seen this coin becoming the next Binance BNB. So let's keep on watch these coins I just mentioned, CRO, crypto.com, and other crypto coins I just mentioned. Watch them closely and you might be surprised. But remember please that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.